Hey everyone, I am Emma, and welcome to English Podcast Show. In today's episode, Alex and I will talk about our day. We will speak slowly so that you can repeat with us. Let's start the day together. Hey Alex, how's your day going so far?
Hi, Emma. Honestly, I'm feeling great today. I just finished my morning routine. Brushed my teeth, took a shower, made my bed, all the usual things, you know?
That sounds like a productive start. I always feel better when my day begins with a little structure. What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 7 a.m. sharp. My alarm rang, and for a moment I thought about hitting the snooze button. Just 5 more minutes of sleep. But I told myself, nope, time to get up. So I sat up, stretched my arms, and stood up slowly. The room was still a little dark, and the blanket felt so warm. It was hard to leave it.
I totally get that. Haha. It's tempting to stay under the covers, especially when it's cold outside. I actually wake up around 6:30. I like those quiet minutes before the world gets noisy. No emails, no traffic sounds, just soft light coming through the curtains. I take a deep breath and smile to myself before doing anything else. It's like my little morning gift.
Wow, that sounds peaceful. I never thought of smiling as a morning habit. But now that you say it, it makes sense. It's like telling your brain, hey, today's going to be okay. I think I'll try that tomorrow.
You should. Just a small smile can change the mood. And then, of course, I make my bed right away. It takes about 2 minutes, but the room suddenly looks clean and calm. Even if the rest of my day gets busy or messy, at least my bed is neat.
That's a good way to think about it. Honestly, I don't always make my bed. Some mornings I'm in such a hurry that I just leave everything how it is. But when I do make it, I feel more organized, like I've already achieved something small.
Exactly. It's like your first win of the day. So, what happens next in your morning?
After I leave the bed, I head straight to the bathroom. That's my first stop every morning. I brush my teeth with mint toothpaste, the strong kind that really wakes you up. Then I wash my face with cold water. It's a shock at first, but it helps me feel fresh and alert.
Nice. I usually use warm water. It's gentler on the skin, especially in winter. I also use a soft face cleanser with a light rose smell. It's part of my self-care, a little spa moment in my tiny bathroom.
I love that. A mini spa in the morning? I need to upgrade my routine. Do you take a shower in the morning too?
Sometimes I do, especially if I have early meetings. It's usually a quick one. But if I'm working from home and the morning is calm, I wait until evening. A warm evening shower feels like washing the day away. All the stress, the noise, just gone.
That's a good way to put it. For me, showers are a must in the morning. I feel sleepy and slow without them. The hot water and steam wake up my brain. I usually take 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how much time I have. And sometimes I even play music in the bathroom to make it more fun.
I love that. Shower concerts are the best. After that, I get dressed. Usually something comfortable, but not too casual. Today, I'm wearing a red sweater and soft gray pants. Even though I stay home, I avoid wearing pajamas all day. It makes me feel lazy.
Totally agree. When I dress like I'm staying in bed, I feel like I'm staying in bed. So I go for a basic t-shirt and jeans most days. Nothing fancy, but it tells my brain, hey, it's work time now. I'm a big fan of simple food. I toast 2 slices of bread, fry an egg or 2, and sometimes I add a little butter or a slice of cheese, and coffee. I cannot survive without my morning coffee. The smell alone gives me energy.
Haha, same here. I drink tea though, usually green tea with lemon. My breakfast is usually oatmeal. I cook it slowly on the stove and add sliced bananas or apples. Sometimes I sprinkle a few nuts or a little cinnamon. It's warm, healthy, and easy to digest.
That sounds so comforting. I usually eat quickly. I'm always trying to beat the clock. But maybe I need to slow down and enjoy it more.
Try sitting by a window while you eat. I do that every morning. I watch the sky change, hear the birds. It sets a calm tone for the rest of the day.
I like that idea. After breakfast, I grab my backpack, check my phone for any urgent messages, and head out the door.
And I stay home. My desk is just 3 steps away from my kitchen. I turn on my laptop, check my emails, and begin planning my lessons.
So, my job is in a tech office. We sell gadgets, laptops, phones, smartwatches. My workday starts at 9 and ends at 6. I sit in front of a screen for most of the day, answering emails, having meetings, helping customers solve technical problems.
That sounds like a full schedule. My workday starts earlier, around 8:30 a.m. I teach English to students in different time zones. Some are beginners, some are more advanced. Every day is different, which makes it exciting.
Do you ever get distracted at home?
Oh yes, the kitchen is too close, the bed is too tempting, and my cat always wants attention. But I've learned to stick to a routine. I work for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break.
Smart. I should try that. Sometimes I sit for 3 hours without moving. Then I stand up and realize I'm stiff like a robot.
I know that feeling. That's why I stretch or walk around the room during breaks. Even just a few steps help.
What's your lunch routine like?
I usually eat rice and chicken, or sometimes fish if I'm lucky. I also love soup in the winter. It's warm, easy, and comforting. On very busy days, I just order a sandwich or wrap online.
Sounds hearty. I eat lighter meals. A bowl of vegetables with rice, maybe some lentils. I also drink lots of water. A heavy lunch makes me sleepy, and I want to stay sharp in the afternoon.
That's true. After lunch, I go back to work. It's usually the busiest time. More meetings, more emails. Sometimes it feels like everything happens between 2 and 5 p.m.
Exactly. That's why I take a break around 3 p.m. Just 5 minutes to stretch or drink a cup of tea. It gives my mind a little reset.
After work, I come home, change into comfy clothes, sweatpants and a t-shirt, and just chill. Sometimes I sit on the sofa with music playing softly in the background. Other times I read a short story or just scroll through my phone.
That sounds relaxing. I like to move a little in the evening. Yoga, a walk around the block, or dancing while I cook. Then I eat dinner around 7. Usually something light. Eggs, soup, or a sandwich.
Same here. I don't like eating heavy food at night. After dinner, I usually watch a movie or call my parents to check in.
Lovely. I often read before bed, and sometimes I write in my journal. Just a few lines about what happened today or what I'm grateful for. It helps me sleep better.
I should try that. I usually check social media, but it doesn't help me rest. I want to build a better night routine.
You totally can. Even 10 minutes of reading or silence can help your brain relax.
So that's my day. From the first beep of the alarm to turning off the light.
And that's mine too. It's amazing how many little habits fill our day and how each one can become an English sentence.
Yes, these simple routines are the best way to practice real English.
If you're listening to us now, take a moment to think about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat? What do you do in the evening?
And try saying it out loud, even if you're alone, just one sentence at a time.
Your fluency is growing slowly and surely, one real conversation at a time.
Thanks for joining us today. We'll be back tomorrow with a new topic.
Don't miss it. And don't forget, you're doing amazing.
See you tomorrow, friends. Bye for now, and keep speaking English, one smile at a time.